Use this speaker sound effect in your videos for more realistic sound design. Welcome back to day 26 of the 50-day editing school. First, select your soundtrack in DaVinci Resolve and in the Audio tab, scroll down to the equalizer. Then turn on the equalizer and enable the first band and disable the second one. Now pull this icon with the number 3 to the top. Then grab number 1 and drag it to the right until you have a straight line. And now your audio should sound like this. Anyway, that's it for day 26. Share this with an editing friend.